So here we go, guys. Look at that. It's look delicious, eh? Wow. So yummy. Dun, dun, dun. Hello guys, welcome to Camersan Food and Travel again. Today I'm going to cook up a crab curry. And this is my ingredients that I gonna show you guys. This is I gonna add, guys. I add some pumpkin and eggplant. I like a lot of eggplant. Eggplant is nice when it's cooked properly with the coconut milk. And this is another one ingredients that I add, curry, and I add some stock cubes, vegetable, and I add some ginger, onion, and spring onion. That's all. And of course, you need to use some olive oil. Any kind of oil you can use. Okay, this is I wanna use olive oil. And of course, if curry, you need the powder. Curry powder. Yeah, it's only if you want spicy, you can put 2 teaspoons. If you don't want mild, just 1 spoon or 2.5. Depends how you like it. And of course, because it's a curry, I'm gonna add some coconut milk. What is this? A mud crab. Yeah, that's you're gonna add last. And then of course, to taste nice, in the last you can add a salt and pepper. So that's all, guys, that I'm gonna show you. So stay around and I will show you how to cook. So let's start cooking, guys. Add some oil on it. I'm so lucky I catch this last crab when I get back here in Point Samson. I'm so lucky. So guys, I'm starting. Just keep watching, alright? Add onion, ginger, and because this one is really long time to cook, I need to add now. Start smell nice with the ginger. And then I add this, so it's absorbing to the vegetable, the stock cube vegetable. I wanna add the spring onion. I like the spring onion cook. And then you add the coconut milk. Dun, dun, dun. Look creamy. It's really good. It's look really creamy, guys. I know you're gonna be hungry watching this, but it's so good. So I let it cook for 2 minutes, the vegetable, before I add the crabs. So I like tasting it. Oh no. So good. So it's boiling now. Wow, look nice, guys. It's absorbing the coconut milk to the vegetable, and when the vegetable is cooked, it's good. And then I'm gonna add this, guys, chicken curry, curry powder. I add too. I like spicy. Dun, dun, dun. You spray it. Spray it in the dun, dun, dun. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. And then mixing it. Look delicious, guys. I like the color. It's yellow. Wow. And now, because look like cooked the vegetables, so I add this crabs. Look at that, guys. It's so delicious. Yes. Yeah, it's easy, guys. It's easy. It's not hard to cook. Yeah. My husband like curry. I love my curry. So I let it close for maybe 3 minutes. So how are you, guys? It's boiling now, so I'm gonna oh wow, look good, guys. Oh my god, I can't wait having it. Look good. Look good. Wow. I'm gonna try for you guys, okay? This is really good. I just have this. So here we go, guys. Look at that. It's look delicious, eh? Wow. So yummy. Dun, dun. Oh no, I forgot to add some. But you know, guys, no need of salt and pepper. I forgot to add some salt and pepper. But you really no need to put it in because it tastes nice and it's perfect. You need salt and pepper. Guys, so good. See the meat, it's very massive and tender and it's really delicious. Really good, guys. Perfect cook. Perfect. Wow. It's good. It's Mm. It's really yummy, guys. Wish I can share with you. So perfect. Oh god, it's so good. One crush make me full. You need to use your hand. So so good, guys. Yum yum. I have this one, guys. It's already cracked, but you need to be. It's cracked. You add to the vegetable. Pumpkin. If you not subscribed yet, please subscribe and like and comment. Thank you, guys. So good. Thank you. Bye.